Good morning. I am 3 minutes earlier today, so if you're watching in recording, you can just fast forward about 3 minutes or stay with us. Good morning, Connie. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, John. So my friends are here and I have new AirPods, so hopefully the sound is better. At least it's supposed to be. Oh, great, John. Yeah. Perfect. All right. Anyway, it is time for us to start. So today we're going to start a new mini-series exploring chakras. Just in case you don't know what chakra is, it comes from the Sanskrit and means wheel. Around our physical body there is an electromagnetic energy field, and in yoga this field is known as the subtle body or aura. And chakra is an energy center, and we have many of those energy centers in the body. They correspond, by the way, to nerve ganglia in the physical body, so it's not just woo-woo, it's a real thing. The number of chakras and the importance of each chakra vary by tradition. In the yogic tradition, there are 7 main chakras that in the physical body correspond to 7 central nerve ganglia branching out from the spinal column. It is believed that energy blockage in any of the chakras can result in physical illness and emotional or spiritual crisis. When chakras are balanced and well aligned, on the other hand, we feel healthier in body, mind, and spirit. We feel more connected to ourselves and the world in general. So today let's do a general chakra balancing practice. And in the next few days we will dive a little bit deeper into each chakra separately. Take a moment to settle in, taking a comfortable position. Scan your body gently and notice how you're feeling right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. Allow your eyes to close comfortably. Settle into your natural rhythm of breathing without trying to control. Just observe how your breath flows in and out. Select your primary anchor for this practice. It can be your breath or any sensation in your body that is easy for you to feel, that is easy for you to come back to every time you notice that you've been distracted, lost in thought. Feel the support beneath you. Connect with the ground below. Let it take your weight. Ground yourself in this moment, right here, right now. Begin to sense the space around you. Breathe with the space. And become aware of the rise and fall of your breath. It's coming and going. Now send your breath down to the base of your spine, to your root, your chakra of belonging. Breathe into your root chakra. Let it soften and gently expand on your breath, taking in nourishment and life force energy. If you want to, you can visualize the chakra as a wheel, a sphere that rotates clockwise or counterclockwise. Whatever you see is fine. Allow your root to connect down to the ground below, deep into the earth. And invite in the color red, the color of the earth. Bathe your system with the energy of the root chakra, embodying, grounding you in the here and now. Let your root take whatever it needs. And if you'd like to, you can repeat after me silently or out loud. I am here. I have the right to be here, just as I am. I am safe. When you're ready, allow your awareness to move up to your belly, just below your navel, your sacral chakra, the center of emotional intelligence, choice, creativity, movement, and pleasure. Breathe into the center. Let it gently soften and expand on your breath, taking in nourishment and life force energy. Invite in the color orange, the color of the setting sun. Bathe your system with the sacral chakra energy, balancing, empowering, nourishing. If you want to, you can repeat after me. I honor my needs. I allow myself to be nourished. Now gently move your awareness to your solar plexus, your chakra of personal power. Breathe into this area. Allow your solar plexus to soften and expand on your breath. And invite in the color yellow, the color of sunshine. Bathe your system with the solar plexus chakra energy, replenishing, restoring, nurturing. I value myself. I am enough. When you're ready, bring your awareness up to the center of your chest, your heart center, your chakra of self-development and unconditional love. Gently breathe into your heart area, letting it soften and expand on your breath. Invite in the color green, the color of spring. Let your heart center take whatever it needs. Renewing, balancing, healing. I allow myself to give and receive love freely. I am loved. Now move your awareness to your throat, your chakra of self-expression and personal growth. Allow your throat center to soften, expand, and breathe. Inviting in the color blue, the color of the sky. Breathe this energy into your throat center, clearing, opening, softening the need to control, freeing your creativity. I express myself freely. I allow myself to go with the flow of life. When you're ready, take your focus up to your forehead, between your eyebrows, to your third eye, your chakra of wisdom and intuition. Gently allowing it to soften, expand, and breathe. Let this energy bathe the whole system, soothing, bringing clarity, insight, understanding. Let your third eye chakra take whatever it needs. And if you want to repeat after me, everything is unfolding just as it should. Now move your awareness to the top of your head, your crown, your chakra of oneness with the universe. Let it soften, expand, and breathe. Invite in the color violet. Softly bathing your crown in this energy, balancing, restoring, connecting. Let your crown take whatever it needs. I am one with the universe. And now come back to yourself as a whole. Back to the ebb and flow of your breath. Back to your center. And you can repeat after me if you'd like. I am whole. I am perfect, just as I am. Allow the energy of these words to nourish your body, mind, emotions, spirit. Let yourself take whatever you need right now. Become aware of the air on the surface of your body. Aware of the sounds around you, near and far. Become aware of the support of the ground. Gently scan your body once again and notice how you feel now, physically, emotionally, mentally. And perhaps set an intention to hold yourself with loving kindness, with a beautiful, unique being that you are. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.